So this one meant to be more like roots. I do have some cucumbers and broccoli back here. Things that seem to do better without super intense sunlight are back here. So I've got radishes planted, then beets, and then carrots. And then I got a couple onions here. Waiting for these potatoes to sprout. These are some tomatoes that aren't quite ready yet. Put this tomato in here. We're gonna see how it does in that. It's kind of an experiment. So I've got a lot of those. And then back here, we're gonna do some sunflower seeds in the back there. See how those turn out. And then got our 2 red potatoes back here. And then a third one's just planted over yonder in a container, and we'll see how it goes.